Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to charge your HP OmniBook Flip 5 laptop. So, in order to charge your device, you're gonna need to insert your charging cable into one of the available USB Type-C ports on the left side of your laptop. Both of them support charging, and both of them are pretty much the same, so you don't even have to think about which one to choose. Just choose the one that is closer to you. Once you insert the charging cable into one of these ports, you will see the LED indicator glowing near it, which indicates that your laptop is being charged. And to properly charge your laptop, I highly recommend using the original charger, which looks like this, and it supports it has 65 watt capacity, which is the minimum capacity required to properly charge this laptop. So if you are using a replacement, if you're using a substitute AC adapter, then first of all make sure that it's not a cheap one, because cheap ones drain your battery faster, and they also may cause some damage to your laptop. Use a reliable, reputable AC adapter that will support your device with at least 65 watts of power. Make sure that your AC adapter is properly connected to the outlet, and make sure that it is the cable that goes inside your AC adapter is firmly inserted into it, as well as the Type-C cable is properly inserted into your laptop. If your laptop isn't getting enough power, however, you will get a notification, and here in the bottom right corner, right above your battery icon, you will see somewhat like a yellow triangle that is meant to inform you that your laptop isn't getting enough power, and maybe discharged eventually while you're charging it, since your laptop simply consumes more power than it gets. And so so just make sure that you either use an original AC adapter, or if you don't have it around, then make sure that your AC adapter provides your laptop with at least 65 watts of power. And so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.